The controller itself, you really need to take these off when you store it to shut the case, but the handles come out and you just screw them into here. I'll just show you a little bit closer so you can see. There's the handle coming out there. Just pull it out and then screw it in there. And the connection to the phone is based on the side, and you get 3 of these depending on which phone you're using, Android or iOS. I'm using the iOS phone, and therefore it has a lightning connector at the end, and the phone slips into here. You really need to take your case off though in order for it to sit in comfortably in this area here. Or the other alternative is to use a mini type of tablet, which is what I prefer, and we've got on here, you can just about see a blanking panel that goes into this area here and allows us to use this Apple Mini with the controller. And the connector is an extension connector that literally plugs straight into the iOS device there. So, and that's how we use the, there we go, we use the controller. So I would then pull this up, put the base in here, and then that's ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded. Bye for now.